that's no good. What's up, YouTube? Long time no talk. A lot of things have happened in the last couple of months. I haven't been able to film since like December, which obviously the holidays came in. That kind of took some time away. But I also got a new job. It was in a new city, so I had to drive every freaking day, and every weekend was taken up because I was gone the whole time. Car broke down, had to buy a new car, had to get an apartment, had to move, blah, 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 got sick. But I'm finally back, thank God, finally back. Today's episode is actually going to be about putting in new floor pans. I got some holes on both the driver and the passenger side, so I've got to get those dug out. I've got to get those replaced. I bought some new filler pieces, so the whole place isn't rotted out, just some select spots, so I'll cut out the necessary sheet metal, we'll weld in the new pieces, and then we'll be up and running. I don't know how far I'm going to be able to get today. It's a little bit late. I had to drive all the way down here and take care of some other business. Devin is out. It's his birthday, so everybody wish him a happy birthday. But he should be back next weekend. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so as I was saying, the floor pans are a little bit rusted through. They've got some holes in them, about the size of a quarter or 50-cent piece. On the driver's side, it's actually quite long. I'll show you here in a second. The panels aren't horrible, but there is deep pitting basically throughout the whole thing. So I'm probably going to replace a majority of where your foot sits. I'll show you here. So all this is real deep pitting. Up in here, and then obviously through here. Here's your hole on this side. Well, that just got bigger. Ignore this hole. And then that one is the same thing, the situation on the driver's side. Everything's rusted through. It's really heavily pitted. So I'm thinking I'm just going to go ahead and cut out this section. All the way up to here where this lip is. Down up to about here. Go straight across. And then just kind of make the bowl, as it were. I might even go up on the lip. I don't know. Probably go up on the lip, actually. But that's the plan for now. So I'm going to get some masking tape, and I'm going to tape it off. That way my lines are relatively straight. And then we'll grind it out. There is going to be a good amount of work over here in the corner. So if you guys can see this piece right here, this is actually under the cab, and this metal basically spot welds to it across the way. I think it only goes about this far, and then it gets bigger, which you guys can see. There's a big lip there. So I'm not going to cut this out, obviously, because this is where this rests on. So I'm going to cut this crap metal out and then leave this heavy piece out. I'm probably going to have to grind whatever shenanigans are on there up into the edge. Look at the glue left over. Stupid. The guy that owned this truck prior, well, probably not the exact guy, but someone prior glued down covers for the interior, and it's left glue on my damn car. Very aggravated with that. But I'm going to go ahead and cut all of that out. So let's get a grinder and get it going. Alright guys, so here's the box of the new floor pans. We'll go ahead and open it up, see what they look like. They're off Amazon, so I've heard good things and I've heard bad things, so we'll see what we have. Let me open them up here. Man?
They're bare. They don't seem bad. They're just bare. They got the rivets in the right place, even though it just looks like black marks. Those are actually indentations. Yeah, not bad. Same thing to the other side. They're just not LMC truck status, you know what I mean? So, not bad. Let's see how they fit. Well, they're tight, needless to say. It's not bad though. It really isn't. Well, this seems like it's too wide here, which is shit. It's actually quite aggravating. Yeah, it's a little bit wide on the corner here, so it's gonna... That's my luck. So do I use these, or do I just go get some LMC parts that fit a little better? Damn, that's a tough one.
What's up? This is Gary Clark.
So I don't know if these are actually good pieces to use. So I don't know if you guys can tell, this kind of slopes up right here, and this is just flat the whole way. So getting it to follow this is not gonna be easy, which sucks, man. That really sucks. I really wanted to use these. I got a feeling I can't use them. Damn, man. Yeah, I don't want to make things harder for myself. I don't want to cut this out and then try to fabricate that to fit and, you know, just go through my handles. Lesson learned, man. Pay out the pennies. The pennies make a difference, man. If you're gonna buy the stuff, buy the right stuff. So I guess I'll shop around on LMC Truck, see if I can get the correct floor pans, and get those put in, because that's just not... That really pisses me off, actually. Man, come on. Why half-ass it, right? If you're gonna make it and sell it to people, why half-ass it? Anyways, I'm gonna go get some different parts, and we'll go from there. It doesn't mean I can't cut these out, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting them out. I'm a little nervous about that though, because I don't know how big the lips are on the LMC trucks and blah blah blah. When I say lip, I mean this little flange piece here. I don't want to cut too high or too low and be missing metal. Damn. Alright, we're gonna have to come back to that. We're gonna have to come back. So through the magic of camera, I'll be back and we'll have the correct pieces. Later. Alright guys, so what I've decided to do is just go ahead and cut out the floor pans. I can at least get that done, get it cut out to where it'll fit, and then we can order the correct pieces. So I've already go ahead and started just screwing around with the screwdriver, and was able to pull it apart from this seam, which is part that the floor plan will spot weld to. So I'm gonna go farther up. I'll cut straight across, right around here, go over, and then about an inch across the top, and just go all the way through. I'll cut this entire piece out and just replace it, because there's no point. I mean, it's still pretty strong there, but I just started poking at it over here, and you can see how thin and crappy it is. There's no need to risk it. So I'll do the same thing on the other side, and then when the new pieces come in, we'll just put them in. So for right now, we're just gonna work on cutting them out. So let's get it done.
It's out. The passenger side is finally out. Got most of it stripped off here. There's a bit that I have to get in here, but I don't have a grinding wheel small enough, so I need to get like a Dremel or something. But this is out. Driver's side is out. Passenger side is out. Woo! Look at that piece of crap. Here's the other one. This other one's not much better. Look at that. Look at all that just crap metal, just horribly weak metal. I'm real happy that we got rid of that. So, got the new patch panels coming in about a week. And I'm ready for that. We'll put in the new patch panels. I'll tack weld them in. It'll be good practice before I start cutting into this monstrosity. I got a ways to go before that happens, but it'll be good practice welding on thin metal like that. And I'm looking forward to it. I hope you guys liked the video. I know it was kind of cut in and out. I tried not to put music in because I heard some complaints about how loud the music was. The video program that I'm using right now is kind of one of those free janky systems. I'm going to see if I can invest in the Premiere platform and see if that'll help me. Which it probably should. A lot of people use that. But looking forward to it. Going to have that up and running. If you like what you saw, hit that like button. If you didn't, hit the dislike. Let me know why, please. You guys have been really helpful about that. And then, share it. Share it with your friends. Share it with Facebook or whoever. And I'll see you guys in a week. Thank you. Later.